If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making SOLA KANJI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a cup of gram flour or besan, about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, half a teaspoon of salt. Now place a pan over medium flame and to that add about 2 cups of water, followed by all the powder, salt, a quarter cup of curd or dahi, the ghee, turmeric powder and all the besan. Now combine these really well and try to break all the lumps of the besan. Then keeping on medium to low flame, simmer it until the besan is completely cooked and the mixture thickens. So the consistency is something like a kheer. So when you get that, switch off the flame and let it cool down. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, SOLA KANJI. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.